Hey everybody, Tom Keltish here. I am going to show how I clean my traps. I just got one from the local store, and obviously the people that do trap know what kind of grease is on here. Factory grease to keep it from rusting and things like that. And this one doesn't seem too bad, but there's a thin layer of grease on here, and in order to make your traps a little rusty for dyeing, you'll need to wash this grease off and eventually get them to rust so the dye adheres to the trap. And what I'm going to do is put it in the sink and wash it. A lot of people boil them. Obviously, I'm sure if they got a lot of traps to do, they'll boil them, let the grease rise to the top, and eventually let the grease or the oil slick kind of roll off and be clean that way. So what I'm going to do is take this, get the old-fashioned takes grease out of your way, this soap. Put the plug in first. Eventually I'm gonna, like I said in my last video, I want to get some get some cameras where I can either hold it, have a stand, or whatever, you know. So I got some hot water. Other people put, well, hot as I can stand it, because working outside all year long, fingers are kind of sensitive to heat and cold. So, but some people put their traps in a dishwasher. I don't have a dishwasher. As you can see, I'm the dishwasher, and my wife. That's how we do our dishes. But yeah, today is a pretty crappy day out, so I'd be putzing around outside, but it's raining. You know, the old April showers bring May flowers, but do you know what May flowers bring? Pilgrims! Alright, that should be enough water. What I'm going to do now is let it soak a little bit. Kind of, actually, take a little scrub brush and just kind of work it around and let that soap start working its magic. And yeah, got home from work early, did some dishes and some laundry, and things like that, just around the house kind of stuff. So yeah, try to do your best with getting every nook and cranny. And right now the trap is closed, so I can get it. Well, there's a little gaps here and there, but just keep working the brush all around, and look at your brush so it's not all greasy. Otherwise, your wife might end up getting a little upset. But make sure you clean it off when you're done. Kind of like my public service announcement for you married guys. But I think the way it looks like the grease is coming off a little bit. I'll let that soak, but towards the end, once it's all done soaking and stuff like that, I have another one. I washed this one the same way. It looks like there's a little bit of grease on here yet too, but I washed this a little bit and let it hang outside. It's starting to rust a little bit, but not like I want. But I'm gonna leave them out all summer and let them rust. What I could do too is put them in vinegar, a ratio of 1 to 3 or 1 to whatever. A little bit of vinegar and some water, and let the trap soak, and they'll form a little layer of rust, and come fall, be ready to dye these, or some guys spray paint them too. So that's my way of taking grease off of traps, is if I don't have too many, is put them in the dishwater. But one time I used brake cleaner. Yeah, that may help a little bit, but stinks up everything, and I really don't want to do that. So I'd rather take my time and do it right, and that way I got a good finish to it. So, like always, thank a veteran. Talk to you later. Bye.